Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts food fusion easy method. Start by prepping your dough and fusion fillings, and preheat your oil or oven to the right temperature. I'll walk you through mixing, shaping, and flavor pairing so you get crisp edges and soft centers. Use simple pantry items and a few surprising ingredients to create sweet, savory, or spicy twists that impress friends and family. Gently mix ingredients until the dough forms and feels smooth, then knead for the time suggested in the recipe. Allow the dough to rest and rise until doubled to lock in air and flavor. During this pause, prepare your fusion fillings and toppings so everything is ready when you shape the donuts. This keeps the process calm, efficient, and full of tasty surprises. Roll the dough to an even thickness and cut shapes to keep frying times consistent. Heat oil to the right temperature or set your oven to a steady heat for even cooking. Fry briefly until golden or bake until set, then drain or cool before glazing. Finish by piping fusion fillings and sprinkling contrasting textures for a professional, homemade result that surprises and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.